Hello everyone, so today I am now here alone. Especially, I should be with my co-workers and with my co-group, and I am the leader, therefore I should be here. And one of them got sick, one of them go somewhere, one of them cannot go, and one of them might go here. And I don't know, I cannot take this video alone though. I may be independent, but this certain, if it's a group or it has members, I cannot take certain thing alone, especially if it has grading for all members. I can do things individual, but for a member, like I can do for research even though it's group mates. But if it's a certain thing like this, I cannot do it alone though. I needed someone. Are you struggling with your finances? Wanna build your own business? Or wanna take accountancy as your pre-law course? ABM is just the right track for you. But before that, what is ABM? Okay na? Dire-diretso na yun.
Kapag may din ka sa Pilipinas, kapag may din ka sa Pilipinas, mga galing talaga nito.
Okay, sino pa po?
1, 2, 3. At pa?
Ano ka, ang mga naka-uniform.
Wakikiray.
Laban. Ito naka-video. Tapos bigyan talaga pag
Dito na aras ba si Ma'am Kim? Okay, 1. Di magkimat-kimat pa nagsisilong Kim. Basta na babayan. At pa? 1, 2, 3.
Ehim. Hindi naman ba yun? Pang-upload lang. Ngeng, 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 ngeng. Hindi ka magalaw. Ingat, huwag ka lang kumakain. Game. Tapos mag-ano ko. Gang, Nika.
Shit!
Hindi kasi ganyan mag-prank. Yung puso ako nakapaprank. Ay! Lul! Uy! Ganda naman ang camera. Ha? Hindi yan. Gidim-gidim mo yan. Maganda pala yan, di. Kapag ano ka nang lalagyan ba ng stand talaga? Yung parang asasaring light. Ba? Today is our pre-final exam in internal banking kasi kanina wala akong nasakyan. And, ayan. So, I was just explaining that I didn't take a review because it's already familiar to me because in second quarter you need to do. But for now, the difference is I really didn't take into the class. And since I didn't take into the class, I didn't have any learnings out there, and I'm just gonna use certain methods because I don't know. I keep on multitasking every time. And I didn't even bring my
Natsyempoan pa ng plastic. Ay. Big, dapat mahaba-haba man. Okay lang yun.
Of analyzing data to uncover valuable insight and make informed decisions. The process of analyzing data to uncover valuable insight and make informed decisions.
Gusto mo tagal.
Okay, it is commonly referred to as the section where you can offer suggestions. Part of a research that have a research framework, statement of the problem, and objectives, significant of the study and scope and limitation. Dapat kumpleto ka? Kumpleto.
Yan, sige.
Complete ko dapat.
Ay, kasi.
Background. Background pala.
Hindi introduction.
Chapter 1 background.
Chapter 1 introduction. Ay. The problem.
Tama yung chapter 1, pero di ba may naka-indicate dun sa chapter 1? Anong tawag mo? And chapter 1?
Erase na yung background. Direction. Mali.
Okay. 1 point sa group 1. Chapter 1, introduction.
Yay, we won.
Next layer. Question is, this chapter talks about the result of your study. Here you are going to present the data gathered using the questionnaire you used by tabulating all the gathered data.
Dali. Dali.
Choose Malawang National High School. Empowered education with solid foundation. Enroll now!
Ay, sorry, Gaya. Sorry. Ay, linto, anak. Magsigang ko po. Oh. Shut up!
Dapat 4-3-3 para mapusa yung stroke.
Go.
Model. Ikat. Humanist. Magtawanan kayo, babe. Sino uminom? Alam yun. Oo, dahil kakaano ko palang, dahil kapagaling ko palang may na ang aking immunity. Yan. Nakailang inom na nga ako sa patang ng ano ko. Talaga ako nagpapapalit lagi. Pero yung idea.
Ako sige na pang ansay pang cloud.
Cloud chase ito. Hindi yung nag-nursing. Diba dyan yung saldo nila isang kung bunong grade?
Be, dito ka lang.
Nung grade 10 pa?
Sinong Liza?
As in, tapos binidyo ko sa stable talaga. Ay, ano ba talaga iti-take ko? Kung ano man iti-take ko, kung ano man ang mangyari sa buhay ko, isipin niyo na lang na ilang oras, ilang beses ako, ilang araw ako, ilang months, ilang year ako nagkulong sa bahay, kakaisip sa aking magiging buhay sa future dahil sa, ay dinos ko lahat sa ACADS, pero at the end of the day,
It's okay.
nothing.
Okay
Okay lang, at least I learned about that. I learned about a certain thing and nothing beats
Wow. Sleeping early.
so cute. Charis. Di ba?
Ano kayo punta?
Mag-interview ko na lang. Interview kita.
Ayaw ko.
Time travel kasi yan.
Sanay.
Ha?
Hindi talaga ako sanay.
Time travel. Masasanay ka na lang yan. This is how province looks like. So today, we did not go and ride a jeep. I decided to walk by my own because as far as I can see, it enhances my mental, emotional health as well as physical health. And it was really helpful. Therefore, it's better to take that.
Sige na. Dali na. Habang para nagbabasa.
Game.
Ay, isus mo yung sipan ako na malalagay sa... Balik. Sige na, balik.
Sige na. 1, 2, 3, go.
Malinaw. Saan si Malinaw?
Jillian!